Flo.
Come and hike with me today.
All right, let's go.
Absolutely. There you go. How pretty is this? Alright, let's see what's behind the ridge. Up the hill. What a beautiful view. Oh, these are super cute. What is that?
I think it's a wolf
Yeah,
hiking.
it looks like. Very cute, very cute. Or husky. Red arrow marks the way. You're having a good time, Finley. We were having too much fun talking while hiking and missed our trail. And so we ended up taking a shortcut straight to the road and finishing up on the road, about to get to our starting point where we took off. You can see marines through the trees. And overall, a wonderful hike on these trails at Joe Wheeler State Park. Hot chocolate and marshmallow, fire roasted. First weekend of January. Very nice.
He didn't know. He didn't
He
know.
pointed out I'm like a rice and flaky. And I was like, that was soaked in the touch too long. But yeah, it failed miserably. Yours is just perfect. It's just nice and brown.
Yeah. This came out good. Puffy.
Up some things, I'll get a good bit of.
Oh, not today. Okay. Okay.